Hi guys, welcome back. This is Aditya here. As you know that we are into home series workout. So previous two home series workout were on shoulders and arms. So this series will be on the lower body or legs workout. So before any workout you start, always in my all videos I do say that warm up and cool down is important. So watch my warm up, static warm up and the cool down videos before you start this workout. And it depends if you have dumbbell, you don't have dumbbell, anything. It doesn't depend, you can use anything, either you can do without the dumbbell or with the dumbbell. So and I've kept a box, I'll tell you when we use this on the legs. So this will be totally on the lower body. I'll be covering most probably 6 to 7 variations here on the lower body. And today my fitness partner is Soumya here. So she's going to do without the dumbbell. I'm going to do with the dumbbell. So people who don't have dumbbells at home, you can follow her. People who have any weight, it doesn't matter like how much weight you have, any weights are fine. So you can follow me with that. So first one, the basic squats first. So she's going to do it on the front angle, I'm going to do it on the side angle. So I have a just normal 5 kg dumbbell here. So it depends on whatever weight you have. So first, always in squats, leg shoulder width apart. Okay. So people who have shoulder pain, I'm going to put the dumbbells here because I'm comfortable here. People who have shoulder pain, you can, if you are having heavy weight, you can put here and do just hands besides. So in squats is breathing is inhale down, exhale up, and don't push your knee front. Try to keep your back straight. Okay. So first one is a normal squat. Start. 1. Keep your back straight and up. Squeeze your glutes, hip front when you come up. So breathing is inhale down, exhale up. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. So 2 counts I'm going to put here and do, so people who have shoulder pain can follow this. 9. Last one. 10. So this was squat, so it depends on how much down you can go. You can go into deep squats where you can completely sit and come up. Either you can do a normal squats here. So it depends upon you how much range you can go. Next one will be in the same squat. In the same squats you can have a variation of a global squat. Global squat is you hold dumbbells here, feet pointing straight. When you go down to deep into global squat, like hands here, take one dumbbell in your hand, tuck your elbows in. When you go down, put your hands inside your elbows, in between your legs. When you sit, same breathing pattern. Inhale up, exhale down. So here, global squat. Completely you sit and you come up. And squeeze your glutes when you come up. Completely sit and back straight. Don't bend forward. One more count, we'll do this. Up. One more. Up. Then up. Okay, so this was the global squat. So I'll be covering all the variations which you can do at home on the lower body. Next one, sumo squat. Your feet pointing out, knees pointing out here, dumbbells in front. Okay, and keep your back straight, same breathing pattern. Inhale down, exhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. So we covered 3 variations on the squat. So one more variation on the squat we'll do. Some people say it as a split lunge, some people say it as a Bulgarian squat. There are different names, but the effect which you get on the quadriceps, your glutes is the same. There is no, only the names are changed, but the effect is the same. So first one was the squat we covered, global squat, sumo squat. The next one will be the Bulgarian squat. So if you have chair at home, use the chair. It should not be too high, a little means below your knee or above your knee, that level is fine. Don't go too much up above your knee. It's always, with the chair or the box you have, you should go below your knee when you stand. So on this, what you can do is, see, Bulgarian squat you can do two ways. Either you point your feet out, okay, either you point your feet out and do this way, either you pull it on the toes and do. So people who have ankle pain, otherwise people who have injured their ankle, don't do this. Don't point your toe, do it on the toes. So what I'll try to do is, on one leg I'll do it on the toes, and other leg I'll point out and do, so that you can get to know both. Okay, so you can hold the dumbbell here. So this leg I'm pointing my toes out and doing it this way, completely on the box. Now start. 1, you go down, keep your back straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, front knee is constant, 6, and change. So with this leg I'll be doing on the toes. Keep your back straight in any squat posture. When you do any squat posture, you do keep your back straight. Okay, hands here, back leg on the toe. Inhale down, exhale up is the breathing. Go down now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your knees straight. Don't come back completely. Don't come up completely. Bend your knee. Now back. Now next one, we finished almost 4 variations. There are a lot of variations, guys. In squats you can do a lot of variations, but I'm covering where everyone can do it. I don't want you guys to get confused and all. So now we finished 4 variations on squats. Now we'll do a variation on the lunges. First one, normal static lunges. Normal static lunges. First one, your again knee is constant here. Don't push your knee back. Keep your right leg forward. Keep your back straight. Okay. Now inhale down, exhale up is the breathing. Same thing. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change leg. Don't touch the floor. People who have knee pain, you can do a static lunge. You can keep either dumbbells here, it doesn't matter. The effect is all same wherever you are comfortable. We are just doing 6 each leg in all variations because I want to cover all the variations. So each leg, at least beginners you do 12 counts, intermediate 15 of each, and advanced. Now hands here again. Keep your back straight. Inhale down, exhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change. So basic squat and lunges videos I've already uploaded long time about the posture, so you can see that and you can get to know the postures. Next one will be same thing, forward lunge. Step forward and come back, same thing it is, that is static lunge. This is a forward lunge. Step forward, then back. 2, same leg you do. Don't do the alternate, it depends on, you can do either alternate or same leg. I'm doing same leg. I'm going to finish this leg first, 6, then I'm going to change. Start. 3, 4, 5, 6, and change leg now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now same thing, you did a static forward lunge. Now same thing, you do a back lunge, backward lunge. Everything is same. Now start with backward lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So people who have knee pain, avoid backward and forward lunge. People who don't have knee pain, you can do it. People who have knee pain, do a normal static lunge. So last one in the lunges variation I can add is lateral lunge or the side lunge. Whatever you call, affects the same again. She's going to do on this angle. Now both legs wide, feet pointing straight first. Same thing in, don't bend forward. Try to keep your back straight. Inhale and exhale up you do. Okay. So I'm keeping my hands here for this. So now on the right side, you're going to bend your knee and bend side. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change leg, other side now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the last one on the legs will be the calf one. So I've covered 4 variations on the squats, then 1, 2, 3, 4 variations on the lunges. Next one for the calf. So I'll take a dumbbell here, put it in front of my thighs. So here you can use a heavier dumbbell. Feet a little close but not touching each other. So just squeeze your calf up, inhale up, exhale up, then inhale down, you lower. Exhale up, squeeze your calf, inhale down. So that's it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, last 4, 7, squeeze up there on the ball of your toes and down, 9, last one, 10. So I have covered I think almost 9 variations. So you can, what you can do when you are doing a leg day at home, you can pick around 3 to 4 variations, and you can do, if you are a beginner you do 12, if you are advanced or intermediate you can do 15 counts each, and make sure warm up and cool down after and before exercises. You can watch my previous videos, there I've uploaded it, and the next video will be on the chest and the back. Keep tuned for the home series workout, and hope you like the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.